I recently had my initial impressions and hands-on with the Tronsmart Spunky Beats, and my initial impression was terrible. If you want to see why, video linked up here. If you're looking to buy the Tronsmart Spunky Beats, go ahead and check out my links in the description down below, as well as check out a written review on the website. One commenter said that I should try to reset the Tronsmart Spunky Beats to get a better touch control experience. Now, I went ahead and I did that, and the touch experience has gotten slightly better. I wanted to share with you how to reset your Tronsmart Spunky Beats if you're having issues with them. Let's go ahead and let's dive down, and we'll show you guys how to reset them.
Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to basically go through and reset your Tronsmart Spunky Beats. I was having really poor touch response, and this did help mine out. First thing that you guys want to do is go into the device and unpair both of the earbuds with your phone. Okay, you're gonna want to put them both back in the case so they're glowing red. The next part is very important. Gently touch the top of both of them so that it registers your fingerprint without disconnecting them from the case. You'll see the case lights turn off. You'll see them both flash. Take them out, they'll pair to each other, put them back in the case. You should see them, this one should start glowing red. Okay, once they've both blinked like that, take them out of the case. You'll have the prompt to connect the headphones twice. Go to play music through them. And now you guys can see that they work. Touch controls. Oh, they just turned off. Oh, no, they're working. Touch controls, 1, 2. Google Assistant, 1, 2. Back, long press. Rewind, long press. Fast forward, 1, 2, 3. Change volume, 1, 2, 3.
As you guys can see, that was a pretty easy and seamless process. It's worth noting that this did make the headphones more responsive to my touch input, and it did fix a lot of the original gripes I had with the Tronsmart Spunky Beats. I think some of my issues in regards to the controls have to do with the physical design of the headphones, but obviously I've only been using them for a couple of days, and you guys need to wait for the full review if you want to see what I think about them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section down below, and until next time, it's been Mitchell. Peace.